B-roll is one of the most creative ways you can level up your content. If you've watched any of my content, you'll see B-roll. And after this video, you'll never look at videos the same anymore. B-roll can be used as a metaphor to help describe whatever you're talking about. It can just be a better visualization of whatever your video is about. I use B-roll just so you can visualize what I'm saying, man, so I can tell a story, so you don't just have to use your brain and think of what I'm talking about. You can actually see it. I first started using B-roll to just make my videos longer, to make them cooler, more visual, and just to make it a better watching experience. I started watching YouTubers a lot, and I just noticed, like, man, why is their footage, why is their videos so awesome? Like, that's because of B-roll. You'll be watching a video and you'll notice they're speaking, they're talking about whatever the topic is, and then all of a sudden you see a visual come on the screen of maybe some clouds or people walking, people talking in silence where you can't hear them, but you can see that they're visually talking. I didn't know that it was called B-roll, but I knew that I wanted to start using it in my content, and I couldn't figure out, how do I add this in my content? Because I was making content on a phone. I found a way to add B-roll in your content using a phone, like a phone editor, but it was difficult, man, because the editor I was using, you couldn't just overlay a video right over top of whatever your main video is. So I was like, how do I do this? So what I had to do was I had to cut the video, and then I had to paste in whatever clip I wanted to be as the B-roll. I couldn't get the video to play in silence while I was speaking. You want the audio from your A-roll to be playing while you're watching the B-roll. And I couldn't figure that out on a phone. And I didn't know how they did it until I had got a computer and I started learning how to use it. I started using OpenShot. That's what I'm using now, OpenShot video editor. It just made my life a lot better, man. Now I'm able to use B-roll the way it's intended. So if you really want to upgrade your content, learn B-roll. I'm getting ready to show you how to go inside your video editor and add some B-roll. You're going to open up your video editor and you're going to load your main clip. So you're going to load this in, and then you're going to put it in there. Now you're going to take whatever footage you want. It can be a picture. You know, it doesn't have to even be video. You can use a picture as your B-roll. Whatever it is, load that into your editor. You want to find the exact moment where you want the visuals to pop up. So I'm going to take this B-roll clip right here, and I'm going to put it on top of the A-roll. And as you can see the B-roll is playing, and I hit mute on the sound. You want to turn the sound of the B-roll off, and you want to smoothen it out, make it as natural as you can. Now you have some crispy B-roll. I showed you what B-roll was, and I showed you how to use it inside your video editor. Now it's your turn to go out there, create some footage using B-roll. I really hope you learned something from this video. I got more videos coming, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you can catch all my dope content, because I drop videos every single week. If you want to learn how to upgrade your lighting, there's a video right there on the screen. Click that video and it'll teach you how to get free lighting. Make sure you watch vids so you can learn how to make it yourself. Progress is success, man. That's the boy Zane. I'm out.